Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AYANEO Radeon RX 7600M XT graphics dock with 120-watt turbo clock and oak link set to launch at $599 US. So friend, AYANEO Starship dock ship end of November featuring Retro 3 Mini PC and gaming handheld. Among this product is the new Starship graphics dock. As the name suggests, the primary features of the dock is graphics expansion, and it includes a Radeon RX 7600M XT graphics card, which is a module, RDNA 3 GPU with power limit support of up to 120 watt, and the device also features a large turbo knob on the top and allow user to control the power output choosing between 100 watt to 120 watt. And the dock features 32 RDNA 3 compute units and offer 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and the specifications are not very impressive anyone, especially compared to the recently launched RX 7800M graphics, which provide nearly twice as many core and 50% more VRM, double of the GPU performance for device using only integrated graphics. And the dock covers all of the essential features including M.2 2280 PCI 3.0 SSD interface for expansion storage and RJ45 port with speed up to 1000 Mbps and USB 4 40 Gbps connector and one USB 3.1 generation 2 10 Gbps port, even SD card slot. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.